Hello everyone, it's the Lone Wolf, and today I'll be talking about the Oppo X 2021 and what to expect from it. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content. So the phone company Oppo wants to make a sliding phone. Well, this concept was also first shown by TCL, but Oppo has finally implemented their version better than TCL, and I'll tell you more about it. So for the phone can expand and also revert back to its normal size through just a click of one button. So the concept of a sliding phone is cool and can also compete with foldable phones such as the Galaxy Fold or the Motorola Razr phone. But these type of phones have their disadvantages, and I can show you how it does have its disadvantages. So first of all, foreign objects like dust can enter inside some parts of the phone easily, and it will affect the phone when it's expanding. So second of all, what if you drop the phone when it's expanding? Will it be like a pop-up camera phone, like when you drop it and the camera goes back in? And last of all is the battery life. For a phone to expand and revert back to its normal size will take a lot of battery life. When the phone is expanding, it's showing more pixels on the screen, and we can take a lot of battery life. Or even the mechanism, as you keep on expanding the phone and reverting it back, it's taking a lot of battery life. And in my opinion, the concept of an expanding phone is actually pretty cool. But then, which market would this kind of phone be for? Who exactly will the phone be for? Probably for those that have a lot of money, who love innovation. This phone will be the best for them. Anyway, what are your thoughts about this sliding phone concept? You can leave your thoughts in the comments below. Anyway, I love Oppo. I love the smartphone market and how it's expanding and making more ideas, which are very nice. Anyway, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell for more videos, and you can follow me on my social media accounts in the description as well. Anyway, I love you all and peace out.